For our fiction writing unit, third graders wrote their own Wonderlands and they turned them into 3D projects. Today, they will present it to their friends.
It was about a boy who was funny, smart, and silly. One day, when he was going to sleep, he appeared in a world called the Underworld. He searched for a way to get out, but this one weird, mysterious dude said the way to get out is to defeat the king.
We had one contraption that makes the elevator go up, and so we let the kids come behind here and let it go down. And then we would go back and then everybody would take one try. And this is the portal at the end of the story. They jump in. And these ones is what spells something.
This is our Alice in Wonderland projects. The mission is to find 4 pearls, but 3 of them are fake and 1 of them are real.
This is the map we have. And then the decorations here, it's like a kind of school also.
And these are the elevators which we can go up over here.
Falling, snow.
Yeah.
Snowfall. Yeah.